Welcome! There has been a new gear motor released from design that I would like to investigate. After locating it, I have the opportunity to investigate the BOM and its properties. I can also use Teamcenter X's internal visualization server to interrogate of the motor to see what has changed. I can easily locate the gear motor assembly by using Teamcenter X global search functionality. From the search results, I will open the gear motor assembly to view its BOM structure and properties. The Overview tab is directly tied to the BOM on the right. On the BOM, I can easily interact with the structure to collapse and expand the various levels, search and filter for information, and even change the layout. Now I will enable 3D Viewer to visualize the gear motor assembly. I can interact with the 3D model without needing access to the CAD system it was designed in. I can easily create sections, perform measurements, mark up the data, and much more. This is useful for tasks such as design reviews. Using Teamcenter X, I was able to easily investigate the gear motor assembly using the various related tabs. In particular, I was able to use the 3D Viewer to visualize the gear motor. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.